Hey guys, Johnny here from TechMajesty.com. Today I will be showing you how to set up Siri and enable the Hey Siri function on the iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, and the iPhone 13 Mini. So the first thing we will need to do is make sure your iPhone is connected to the Wi-Fi. After your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi, then the next thing we will do is make sure to hold this button right here on the side and hold it until you see this screen. So once you see this screen, then click on Turn on Siri. Then you will be given 4 different voice options. So let's go ahead and hear it, and then you can make your voice selection.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in settings.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in settings.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in settings.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in settings.
Alright, so we will go ahead and go with that voice. Click on Next. You can choose to share the audio recordings if you'd like. And then from there, your Siri is now set up. So let's go ahead and swipe up to close that. Now to enable the Hey Siri function, you will go into Settings, scroll down to Siri and Search, and then enable Hey Siri, listen for Hey Siri right there. And then let's go ahead and set that up. Continue. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. So you have to say that until the phone recognizes it, as you just saw right now. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, play some music. Alright, so that's set up now. Let's go ahead and try it out. Hey Siri, open the calendar app. And there you go. So Siri is now set up, and the Hey Siri function is set up as well. So guys, if this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, and please leave an awesome comment down below. We will catch you on the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching.